All right, so let's cook my Butterball turkey together, okay? So I have washed it like 5 or 6 times and put it in this pan to go ahead and start putting my Tony's Creole Cajun butter injector in there. And I don't know why. I always just feel like awkward while using this. It's only my second time using this. And I don't know, I just feel like I'm better with a knife than I am with a needle. Hint, hint. But nonetheless, let's stick to the turkey topic here. So I'm injecting in my butter and everything. And this time I'm doing my turkey a little bit different. Like, I felt like being a risk taker this year because, the holidays is really not the time to be trying to experiment because if something go wrong, then everything's ruined. But I decided that I'm not going to season my turkey this year. I season the inside, but I'm not going to season the outside. I'm actually going to use this Kerrygold Irish butter that's already have garlic and herb in it. And then I'm going to season the butter and just rub it all around. Kind of like how I do my chickens, my whole chickens. And they always taste great. So I'm like, well, why wouldn't the turkey come out great, So I'm buttering up the turkey. And the whole time I'm thinking, though, like, bruh, this turkey probably ain't going to have no flavor. It's probably just like going to have no flavor. But, of course, the injectables is going to pack a punch, right? And then the butter was really seasoned. Like, I seasoned it a lot. So I decided to just be fearless and just do what I'm going to do. However it come out, it's just going to be how it come out. But I'm not going to think on it no more. So I'm rubbing some of the butter mixture underneath the skin as well. Because I want everything to be soft and juicy, I just wanted it to be well moisturized and everything. So like the side of that piece right there ripped a little bit, but it's fine. And this is how everything looked once I got it on. But the funny thing was this, though. I stuffed it with the turkey and onions. And we didn't even eat the turkey when the turkey came out the oven. Like, we were so caught up on the steak, the fried chicken, the spaghetti, the mashed potato, like all that other stuff. We neglected the turkey. But I took a little piece of it, and it was so good. It was soft, and it had a lot of flavor. So would I do this kind of turkey again? I most definitely would. And I'm actually about to go cut a piece of it now and put it with some mac and cheese, a little piece of steak that I got left, and the mashed potatoes because that turkey tasted good. I don't know why we neglected it like that. I mean, I just feel like we're traditional, but we're not traditional. We just kind of do whatever. And that's why I like doing my own Thanksgivings. I don't really go. I haven't been to anybody's house for Thanksgiving in like 7 years. I made it a tradition that I don't want to go to nobody's house no more for Thanksgiving. Maybe for Christmas, and that maybe is big. But for Thanksgiving, I just like being by myself. So I'm just finishing, wrapping it up or whatever. My fold was kind of long. And Ace was like, Mom, is anyone coming here? And I was like, no. He's like, oh, I wanted to do Thanksgiving with other people. I'm like, well, I very much wanted to do it alone. So let's just do it together as a family. And enjoy the freaking dinner, okay? And this is how it look coming out the oven. And everything, nice brown color, nice, it just looks good. So, yeah, thanks for cooking with me.